Alright, part one of hide and go seek peg. Oh, there's a raccoon! There's a raccoon! Oh shoot! There's a raccoon, I can't get it! Dang it!
Right there. Come along. Looks like a cat. You get it, Adrian?
No? Where is it?
It's right there on the lawn. Here, give it. It's running. Oh, look, there's a red panda.
It's on the street, Where is it?
Right there, look at it.
Oh, there.
Look at him. I can see his mask.
Oh my god, I see it. There it is.
It's deadly.
See that thing with the green eyes? Guys, did you see that thing with the green eyes? That was a freaking raccoon. Run! Run! Shoot! Oh, what the? No fair! No fair!